Those are the top stories we're tracking this hour. You're watching NewsX and I'm Piyushi Sharman. Let's get you started this evening, in fact this afternoon, with a top focus on down south on TDP President Chandrababu Naidu scuttling Jagan's release from jail. Now, Naidu, who is on a visit to Delhi, has been lobbying against his Andhra Pradesh contemporary. A day before the CBI court delivers its judgment on Jagan's bail plea, efforts are being made in Delhi to elongate his jail term. Now, Jagan's sister Sharmila has blamed Naidu for having a secret understanding with the Congress leadership to deny her bail, to deny bail to her brother. Now, even before Naidu's meetings with the Prime Minister and President, his party MPs met Enforcement Director Rajan Katoch, CBI Director Ranjit Sinha and Chief Vigilance Commissioner Pradeep Kumar. Speaking to NewsX, Chandrababu Naidu claimed that the Telangana decision was taken only for political gains and Congress in match fixing with Jagan and TRS. Now, Chandrababu Naidu also refuted any claims of having an understanding with the Congress and said that TDP has always been anti-Congress. Also refuted any claims of having an understanding with the Congress and said that TDP has always been anti-Congress. Remember, Jagan Mohan Reddy poses a serious threat to both Congress and the TDP in the next elections, and both gain by keeping him in jail when Andhra Pradesh goes to the hustings. But TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu says he has no truck with the Congress with regard to the son of late YSR, and that he would never think of being on the same page with the Congress. In an exclusive interview with NewsX's Siva Priyan, the TDP chief said that he and his party had always been symbol of anti-Congressism in the country and would continue to be one. Naidu terms Jagan as Team B of the Congress and says they are from the same family of Congress. The former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister was of the view that the Telangana decision was taken so that Congress sweeps the Telangana state and Jagan wins the Simandra region.
Do you suspect a political match fixing between the Congress and the TRS?
Not only two parties. Congress had a match fixing with the TRS and also YSR Congress. One side they wanted to get positive vote by giving Telangana and also get mileage in Telangana, and also they want to create hatred campaign in Simandra, humiliate them, channelize that vote to Jagan Mohan Reddy.
So, but what does the Congress gain by channelizing the votes to Jagan?
That is what I am saying. After elections, he will support Congress. What is the conspiracy? You have to understand. 5 days before, Jagan Mohan Reddy, that Congress, YSR Congress leaders resigned as MLAs in protest against the decision. How can they get information? They have given information to him. They resigned. 4 or 5 people in Telangana, they also resigned from the party. They joined different political parties. Some are maintaining neutrality. Why all these things are doing? TRS, you wanted to have some packages, all these things. They are having some understanding. On the other hand, YSR Congress, you want bail and also cases has to be diluted. So they join together. All three are playing with the lives of Telugu people. This is what I am saying. Who is having any ground in Andhra? Who has done what? They know the background.
Sir, you said the Congress and the YSR Congress are hand in glove. But on the contrary, the YSR Congress says you are aligning with the Congress to defame them. So how do you respond to such allegations?
So what I am saying, sometimes thief will say, thief is going like that. That is the situation today. What is the necessary for me to align with Congress? We are anti-Congress from the beginning. For the last 30-35 years. Who is YSR Congress? Where it has born? It has splitted from Congress only. Your father, this Jagan Mohan Reddy father, has looted 1 lakh crores with whose support? Sonia Gandhi's support. It is a reality. Now, for me, what is the necessity to align with Congress? Only to blame me, to get some political advantage, is talking all these things. That is what I am saying. Nowadays, you are watching. These people script is written by AS office. YSR Congress and also TRS, they are acting by following that script.
Interesting the way Chandrababu Naidu is blaming the YSR that they would perhaps get together with the Congress, be hand in glove with the Congress post the polls. Let's get the opinion of my colleague who interviewed Chandrababu Naidu here. ETV Sivapriyan joins us now for more. ETV, what do you make of Chandrababu Naidu's thought process? Where is he looking at, or he's planning to just go it alone and ally with no other party?
Yeah, well, as far as Chandrababu Naidu and the Congress is concerned, they have a common enemy in Jagan Mohan Reddy, because we have seen that Jagan Mohan Reddy's YSR Congress is leading the United Andhra Pradesh movement in the entire Andhra Pradesh, that is except Telangana, the other two regions. They have taken a lead over all the political parties, and every organization is with them when it comes to United Andhra Pradesh flank. So both the Congress and the Chandrababu Naidu's TDP want to rein in Jagan, because if Jagan wins the Seemandhra region, then they have no role to play. So with this situation, Chandrababu wants Jagan Mohan out of this scene, and even the Congress wants to keep him in jail, but it is not going to happen because the CBI has filed its entire charge sheet in this case, and it is any time that Jagan Mohan might come out in bail. But when I asked Chandrababu Naidu about his alliances with BJP and all, he was very guarded in his response when it came to BJP and Narendra Modi. When it came to BJP, he said that no, let us not, this is not the time to talk about elections or understanding or poll alliances. It is time to remove Congress from power. So he also said at one point that he will work with all the political parties to remove Congress from power at the center. So that means, what I infer is that he is keeping his cards open when it comes to BJP. Maybe he may not have a pre-poll understanding, but he might be open for a post-poll. But Chandrababu Naidu is keeping his cards closed. Maybe he will not open it unless the state goes to hustings.
All right, so there you are. Chandrababu Naidu, it seems, could be just leaning towards the BJP post-elections there. But what about the TRS and the YSR Congress? He's also absolutely slammed the TRS for their political motives, and the YSR Congress as well.
Yeah, well, if we see that the TDP and the TRS rivalry goes back to 2001, TRS is basically a splinter group of the TDP. So that bitterness would always be there, whether there is any problem or not. But as far as TRS is concerned, TRS is clearly on the side of Congress, because we saw on the platform when the CWC decision was announced to the media, Digvijay Singh also spoke about the merger of TRS. So it's basically the Congress and the TRS wanted to gain everything for them, and to not to let other opposition parties take some gains in the Telangana region. They joined together, and the understanding is that once the Telangana state is formed, the Telangana state comes into existence, the TRS would of course join with the Congress. So as far as the YSR Congress, Chandrababu has an interesting twist to it. He says that YSR Congress is also part of Congress, and once the YSR Congress wins Seemandhra region, he would come and support a Congress-led government, if at all a Congress-led government comes at the center. So this is what Chandrababu Naidu is saying, because he is, if you know that Chandrababu Naidu has a very major role to play in Andhra Pradesh politics. Now he is losing all those credit and all those leadership to Jagan Mohan Reddy. So he doesn't want Jagan Mohan Reddy to be a competitor for him. He always wants a competition between him and the Congress. But now it looks like the competition is between Jagan Mohan and the TDP.
All right, it's interesting to know the way the politics in Andhra Pradesh is shaping up post the announcement of Telangana. But thanks very much.